number 12, Mickey Angela Baclao from Barangay Pantao. Is the second runner-up.
To present the award, we have Miss Jimelin Herobin Ceciliano, Honorable Daniel Di Como, Mr. Ryan Cesar Floriano, Miss Sabrina Lumibao, and Mr. John Andrew Granera.
Our second runner-up goes to Miss Ibongenio number 13. Number 13 is our second runner-up, and it is Miss Marcel Vasquez Ramos from Barangay Zone 2. There are 2 ladies left. Labanan ko ng dalawang Lakeside. Nasaan ang mga taga-barangay Bulusan? How about Barangay Bonbon? Who do you think is our winner? Okay, we will now be awarding the first runner-up and the Miss Libongenio 2024.
To present the award for the Miss Libongenio 2024 first runner-up, we have Miss Josephino, Honorable Attorney General Bisang Lab, Miss Mary Claire Chavez, Miss Rosalie Mapa Berrizo.
And of course, we will be awarding the Miss Libongenio 2024 as well. Presenters, please. Okay. Presenters for Miss Libongenio, please. So I will be, to be clear, I will be announcing the Miss Libongenio 2024 first. Meaning to say, the candidate that is still left is our first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, Pamela Lidon, our Miss Libongenio 2024 is Congratulations, candidate number 9, Ashana Kim Benenia of Barangay Bonbon. You are our Miss Libongueño first runner-up. And of course, this year's Miss Libongueño 2024 is candidate number 10. Miss Mar Gomez of Barangay Bulusan. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our Miss Libongueño 2024 and her Royal Court. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our search for Miss Libongueño 2024. It has been a fabulous and colorful night in Libon. This has been your host. I am DJ Jazz Valenciano. Thank you very much and